today my mom is going to show you how you dye your own hair at home.
Hi everybody, today we are experimenting how to change your hair color at home. I dyed my hair 6 months ago in the salon and the hair color I got was ash brown. Since it has been a while, the roots are growing out. So I got this product called Liese Creamy Bubble Wash and I heard a lot of good reviews. Basically it is as simple as wash your hair, so I really hope it works. It offers 25 colors in total. It took me some time to figure out what color I really want. Eventually I decided on this color, mint ash. But at this point of time, nobody really knows how it's really going to show on my hair. I really hope it looks nice. Since it is my first time to try it, I did some research. The review says it works best on dirty hair, so I have not washed my hair for 2 days. And if your hair is long, like mine, above shoulder, you should definitely go with 2 boxes. And if your hair is quite dark, probably you want to leave it a bit longer. So I decided to leave the bubble wash on my hair for 1 hour. Okay, let's go.
We are going to open the box. I wonder what's inside. Is it mint flavor? And it's blue.
Let's open and see.
Yeah.
This is the solution number 1. That's all. Oh, a glove. Hold this. Hey, don't shake it.
Whoops. This is the solution from the... It goes up to rise it. You see the color change to yellow? That's how it turns to hair solution.
And avoiding shaking it, just like doing this. 1, 2, 3.
This is 3. This is 4.
4.
This is 5.
5.
Okay, time to stop.
Now here comes the really exciting part. I'm going to apply this on my hair.
2 bottles, of course.
So now I'm going to apply it on my hair. And you must make sure that it's bubble coming out. It is foamy bubbles.
Ah, it's like a miracle, right?
What kind of miracle is that?
That's awesome foam.
If it's like a watery kind of things coming out, you should stop using it immediately. Does it smell? It actually smells bad. Not really bad. It's not really it's not strong, but it does smell.
And it also make the sound. That means it's farting.
Okay, so I'm almost finishing the solution. Seems like 2 bottles is a little bit too much, but it's always better to have extra than just running out of solution halfway.
Now my mom's hair look like a cupcake, so she has to wait for 1 minute.
I have to actually wait for 1 hour in this kind of cupcake hairstyle, and I really hope the hair color works.
Let's figure out.
Hi, I'm back. The actual time I let the creamy bubbles stay on my hair was 1.5 hours. Feeling anxiously, I went to wash my hair. After blow dry, this is how I look. I like the hair color. It brightens my skin color, although it dries my hair a bit. If you like it, you should give it a try. See you next time.